Alright, so today we're going to be mounting a ram skull. I have a video on my channel on how to clean one of these. I'll put that in the description section. So anyway, what you will need is a thick block of wood. I tried that and tried putting some blocks behind it, but that would not work. You'll need a thick block of wood that can fit between his horns. That way you can anchor him down and his horns will not hit the wall. If you have a smaller one like this will work, as you can see, but with a bigger one you will need a thick block. Either you could put it screwed into the thick block and then put the thick block on here, or you could just do this and put this on the wall. So anyway, I'm going to put this onto this. You will need a couple screws and a wall hanger, which I'll put the hanger on first. Just flip it over and put it on the back in about the center on the top. So anyway, I will do that and then we'll start putting him on. Alright, so here they are. This guy did not turn out as well as I had wished. Looks a little bit ugly, but here they are. We got this whole thing. Screws put in. Got them where we wanted them. So anyway, there is how to mount ram skulls. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you on the next one.